Mommy gonna give you boo. Wait 1 second. Okay, guys, let's do this quick unboxing. We not even gonna do no talking with this. Just we're gonna do a quick unboxing, and she gonna do my lashes. We haven't done my feet, and I haven't washed my wig. And the reason being is because somebody. This is real life. Yes, baby. Okay. You tired? Let's pick up your toys first. Okay, guys, hold on. Matter of fact, don't hold on. Wait, Moo.
You just try to get. You can set the camera up like this.
Let's just
Bring it close.
yeah. Let's do something. Yeah, honey.
I'll open it. It always come in a little bag. I got 100 different little bag like this. Cause everything is mini size.
It's just a little tasty.
This is clean brush. Okay.
Okay.
Elf. This is some elf.
This moon slice. This brand. Wait. Come on now.
Let's just take everything out first.
Okay.
I see. It's a mommy.
You see?
Hi.
Wait a minute. This is moon slice. Let me see. Y'all can see this. Is it focusing? Okay. Moon Slice Beauty. And it's blush cream. Okay. I don't know what that means.
Like a cream blush.
Okay. Blush cream. Okay. Okay.
You got it?
No, I don't.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, look. Your mom got the first part. It's cute.
Okay.
Package is really
Okay.
cute.
Package is cute. All right.
Look like a blush.
It said it was. Okay, and it's a cute color. It looks like
red.
it's brick red.
It's giving Valentine's vibe.
Hey, God.
Let me see how it look.
Oh, good.
Then put it on me. Oh yeah, it's actually good.
Mommy.
It's really like pink.
Yeah, so even with like a light touch, it's coming out.
Very pigmented.
Yeah, very, very, very.
Mommy.
Okay, Moo, huh? Put it doesn't go on your lips. It's
Goes on
blush.
your face.
It's a cheek. Go on your cheek.
Yes.
Cherry red for you.
It's cute.
Bust. Bust, bust, bust. I don't know why I put that on your face. Knowing you got me. It look cute over here for real. Like, Let me see. Let me fix it. Okay. Uh-oh.
We said on to the next sweetness. Well,
All right.
let's just show what Moo opened.
Hey, let's put this one back. What did you open, boo-boo? You don't know? Okay. Can we show them the packaging first? Yeah, let's show them the packaging. This is called Earth Harbor Treasure.
I hope it's lip gloss.
Barrier Boost Glazing Milk. Oat Ceramide Golden Earth Tincture.
Lip gloss.
1 cleanse, 2 tone, 3 treat, moisturize, protect.
Man. I thought that'd be some lip gloss.
And this is for all skin type. Okay, it's some type of
Face wash, face cleanser or something.
it looks like it's a serum. It's a serum. Barrier Boost Glazing Milk. Are you gonna test it?
No. I don't want to test it.
Okay. Barrier Boost Glazing Milk. Okay. The smell is pepperminty stain.
I thought it was berry flavor.
Okay. It's stain. It's like peppermint, then
I hope you ate it.
then it's
Then
stain. Why?
Or we just being real.
We being real.
Okay.
Bust nay.
Yeah, that's thing.
It's stain. Okay. Yeah.
Oh, this is a primer.
Okay.
This is a lip plumping pen. I'm ready to try
Okay.
this.
You gonna try it? What?
I'm gonna try it.
Here. Okay, and this is a soft black brow pencil. Soft black. Okay.
Brow.
Yeah.
It's definitely going on my lips.
So you want to see the color?
Yeah. Try that now. With this lip plumper. We're gonna do a 2-in-1. This is an e.l.f.
Okay, wait a minute.
lip plumper, guys.
And this is by Ellie Man or Ellie. They don't have me go to the line. They got an X and an M. Soft black brow pencil.
They about to teach
See
me up.
that?
I am not wearing this.
What?
I am not wearing brown lip gloss. Is they
What is
joking
that?
me? It's a lip plumper, but it's brown.
Put it on your lips, fool. You tingle?
No, it's just why am I putting brown lip gloss on? It's weird. It's a little pepperminty.
Go ahead, put some on so to see if it's gonna use.
I got something on here.
Lather it up like how you lather that what you call up.
Good. I am good.
Okay. That's not lip gloss.
Cute product though.
You ain't even let us see it. Okay, this tip is like really, really tight. Let's see. What's see tip? You got some on. Okay. Maybe not try it on. Okay. It seems like it's
It's gonna be real cute on me.
Is it soft?
Yep.
What the plumper? No, I didn't even get to show them the plumper because you was eager.
I showed it to them.
Oh, did you? Let me see.
Oh,
Oh, this is like
doll,
lip
mommy.
plumper. Y'all seen it?
Oh, doll, mommy.
It's not lip gloss.
It
It
smells
smells
like
good.
Oh,
You want to smell?
oh, oh,
God damn! Golly, move. Bus.
oh,
You smell it. Smell good?
oh, good.
Okay.
So last one I opened it for you already. So show them.
Oh, so good.
Fresh Face Primer by Ace Beauty or either Fresh. Must be Ace Beauty. I don't know. Y'all take that how y'all want to take that.
I'm just trying to see.
Okay. How was the? Let me smell.
Oh,
Smell. Don't smell it. Here. It stank.
My feelings hurt. We just did too much.
Here you go.
Let me see if it's really primer. Because if it's really primer, it'll start being sticky.
Grip.
Yeah,
It'll grip.
dry a little bit.
Okay.
Let's see. That was a nice little review.
All right. So that's the well. I mean, that was the unboxing. As far as the review,
It's a 0 out of 10.
yeah.
No shade. Nothing
We
I
ain't
would
even-
use. If you want all these products, comment down below. I'll ship them to you. Thank you. We're doing a giveaway.
She is sickening for real. But we're gonna try actually test the products and we'll come back and let y'all. Wait a minute, Mama. We'll come back and let y'all know about how it is.
Bye, mommy.
Yes, baby.
So now I'm finna do her lashes. You do that. Now I'm finna do her lashes, guys. I'm gonna just show y'all the products I use, okay? I'm back. So guys, I'm back. We're back. And let me show y'all the products I have. This is the Lash brand I'm using. No promo. I bought this with my real money. And what I actually like the lashes because I use them all the
they
time.
are good.
They're good. I got them on right now. As you can see, they're giving spicy, right? Wink, wink. So we're gonna use these. They have spikes in them. Some of them have bottom lashes, guys. I bought the whole box, so you know they came with a whole lot of stuff. But you can buy them just like this. They're probably like $10. This was like $20. No, like $25. It comes with a whole lot of stuff. I wish I could have did a video on that. It comes with the bond and seal and all that, y'all. But I don't really use bond and seal. It's just a little bit too sticky. So we're gonna use this super hair. You know, just a regular hair glue, guys. It comes with tweezers. The box came with tweezers. We're gonna try a wet wispy set on Kiara. Let's see how it come out. Even though if it not come out wet and wispy, it's still gonna be cute because I'm doing it. So I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all the lengths I'm gonna use on her. Mind you, it's gonna be a short wispy set. I'm not going that short on her. She can keep saying she wants short, but it's not gonna be that short. Like, I'm not gonna be using no 9mm on nobody lashes when your eyes are this big. So, okay, we gonna do.
No, baby, you can't take mommy glasses off.
I think the longest I'm gonna use for her is a 14mm. The shortest it is here is a 10, so it's not really. This is the 14. As
What
can
you used on me last time?
like a 14, maybe even a 12. The 12 is like overly short, but you have little teeny eyes. You need something that you can clearly see. Your eyes are this big. You just take off your glasses. Thank you.
Boy, give me the strength.
I'm not gonna have you looking crazy,
You sure about that?
but I'm trying to see what I'm trying to do first. I'll be back. So, guys, I'm gonna have my glue in here. So I just feel we're gonna start doing extra picking and stuff. So guys, we go on the ends, the outer corners. We're gonna do the outer corners as in the outer corners. We're gonna do I'm gonna start with a spike because they gonna have a lot of spikes in them. That's the wet effect. The wet look has a lot of spikes in them, so I'm gonna do a lot of spikes. So yeah, y'all guys can just watch. Thank you. Watch the queen do her magic. Really trying to see where I want to start at. I really got to see something just to see if it is it too long. Okay.
Okay.
I don't need you telling me if it's too long. I can see. I know it's too long. This is a 16 mm. We starting big just to see. Another thing I don't like doing people lashes that blink every 5 seconds.
Well, I so forget it.
I don't like doing nobody's
play with
lashes that blinks every 5
Don't try to
seconds,
throw
you
no
guys. I'm not, this is like the people be saying I'm doing the story time. This is not about the client that I'm doing right now.
Okay.
I'm just saying.
Well, if I blink, I show it in your head.
So pretty much, it's not too short, guys. The 16 mm looks perfect to me. So.
Yeah, I have to close my eyes and let her lift my own eyelids up because I be scared.
Yeah, so.
I don't like folks around my eyes.
Oh, okay.
But she do good. She ain't poke me or nothing. I just keep my eyes closed.
Yeah.
Period. That's it.
I'm going to come back when I'm halfway done. So far, guys, I put the spikes down. I'm going to put the spikes first and then I'm going to fill in the lashes. So right now, as y'all can see, I don't know if y'all really, my bad. Kiara, I got this, honey.
Okay, no, I'm just saying.
No free now. None for free.
That's right. You charge.
So y'all can see the spikes right now. It's really giving a wet look already, guys. No shame. It's already cute. I wonder if I wet the lashes and put them on, would they give it more wet look? Should we try that?
Girl, I don't know.
Okay. I'ma just do what I'm doing. The lashes might come off, child.
Right, that's what I was thinking. Maybe wet look if you want to. They should be on the floor.
No, for real. Hey guys.
Hey guys.
Welcome.
So just to update, we're almost done. We are halfway finished.
I'm down.
No,
Yeah.
baby. Check them out, guys.
I will be inserting the photo. She will be inserting the photo, guys, to really show y'all what it looks
Here,
like.
Moo.
Because the lighting is pretty bad right now. This is what it really looks like. Fire.
It's giving.
It's giving anime wet look. We'll be back, guys.
Oh, that. What it is? Boom, 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 boom. Okay, guys. Our lashes is done. I'm blinking.
She's blinking, guys.
Yeah, we good. We cool. We cute. I'll look. Hopefully they don't come off tonight.
They definitely gonna come off tonight. Cause she's sleep wild.
I do not. Nails is done.
Mommy.
You want to eat?
Eat.
You want boobies or you want to eat?
Eat.
All right, guys. We'll catch y'all back in the morning when we get ourselves together. Y'all seen it? Okay. I didn't even get to wash this wig. It's about to come off. But we will catch y'all in the morning and we'll finish this self-care routine situation in the morning. All right?
Yes. We're going to see. We got something very special coming.
We got some. I don't know if we're going to be able. Well, hopefully we can.
We can't record that?
Oh, yeah, we can.
What time they gonna be out there? Cause we need to get up early for that. I gotta see
I
them.
know. I got to see. I'm going to go on Facebook tonight and see.
Alright, bet.
Y'all, if you live in the U.S., you know the monks are walking, and we're trying to go see the monks. They're in our town right now, so we got to go see the monks. Anyway, let us get ready for bed. We'll catch y'all guys in the morning. Good night.